Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. In a major boost for the Indian Navy, the Mazakan Dock Limited delivered the first P-15B guided missile destroyer to the Indian Navy on 28 October 2021. P-15B class destroyers are also called the Vishakhapatnam class destroyers or P-15 Bravo class destroyers. These P-15B destroyers are a follow-up on the earlier P-15A destroyers, and among this category, a total of 4 vessels are being built, and they are the INS Vishakhapatnam, the INS Mormugao, INS Imphal, and INS Porbandar. All the 4 destroyers are being built by Mazakan Dock Limited. Just to give quick known or unknown facts about these destroyers, the Vishakhapatnam class destroyers are the largest ever destroyers to be built by India, and these ships feature a substantial improvements in weaponry, technology, and stealth when compared to P-15A class. INS Vishakhapatnam was laid down during 2013, launched during 2015, and now since the delivery of this destroyer has been done on October 28th, the commissioning is expected by end of 2021 tentatively. The P-15B destroyers have a better bridge layout when compared to the P-15A class. The bridge is a room or platform of a ship from which the ship can be commanded. It helps the captain to maneuver the ship during critical times as well. The bridge of P-15B destroyers were designed in such a way so as to reduce the radar cross-section and to improve the survivable rate. The P-15B class is equipped with 127mm gun instead of 76mm guns, and also the sonar is relocated from the hull to the bow. Sonar, which is an acronym of Sound Navigation and Ranging, is a technique that uses sound propagation to navigate, measure distances, communicate with, or detect objects on or under the surface of the water. Another highlight of these class of destroyers is a railless helicopter traversing system to secure the helicopter in case of adverse weather conditions at sea. The helicopter is simply pulled by the traversing system and steered with the steering arm. The helicopter runs naturally on its wheels and it can be recovered from anywhere on the flight deck. So this was a quick update on the recent delivery of INS Vishakhapatnam stealth guided missile destroyer to the Indian Navy, and we also saw a few vital features of this particular ship. For more details about this destroyer, you can refer to my other video for which I have provided the link in the top right I button. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to 10 Slide Info for more defense and aviation related updates. Thank you.